Dr. G, what makes our approach and procedures unique compared to do the same procedure abroad?
Okay, maybe this is a humble brag, but the fact is that all of us here at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration were actual surgeons. So that means we've had extensive training. We really know how the body works below the skin surface. And our hands have been tested through incredibly difficult procedures. But beyond that, you know, we really strive here to be on the forefront of what's happening in hair restoration, surgery, and treatments. We don't just kind of do what was done 50 years ago just because it's easy and cheap. It's about doing what's best for the patient. And when it comes to, like a decade ago, having to literally learn a new technique, different than what we were taught and trained to do before that, not a lot of people are going to be willing to do that. But we really quickly realized, hey, this is better for the patient, more comfortable, safer. You can't tell it's been done. That's totally better than the way it used to be done. And it's like, I think about 30 years ago, how did somebody get their appendix out? They used to slice people's stomachs completely open. Now what do? It's called laparoscopic surgery, minimally invasive. Everywhere in medicine, everywhere in surgery, we're learning new techniques to make sure that patients have better outcomes. That's what we believe in. And on top of that, I mean, heck, look at our results. We absolutely believe in natural, undetectable, crafted results. Every single patient of ours gets a personalized plan, and when we execute that, you can walk around knowing very confidently you're looking the best you can.